Hello and welcome to Camper. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the aerator set and the solenoid valve of the Hygiene flushing box Pure. Therefore I have to remove the cover of the siphon and check if the activities or the to-dos of chapter 2.4 in the installation manual have been completed. That contains the installation of the water supply pipes, the connected sewer pipe and the connected electricity, which is not powerized yet. In the delivery status, the Hygiene flush box Pure comes with an isolated valve in closed position with a plug in the housing of the solenoid valve and with a nozzle. To decide how long we have to do the flushing, that depends on the previous pipe in your system. So how long is the pipe that you want to flush? To decide about the duration, we give you a table that gives recommendation of the flush duration independence of your pipe length. In our situation, we have a pipe that is shorter than 30 meters and therefore we need to flush 1 minute or less. To start the flush, I'm opening this valve and I visually check if the flushing shape, the flushing is processed in a good mood. After flushing 1 minute, I close this valve and proceed the same flush on the other side of the Hygiene flush box. After flushing the installation and no debris of the installation are remaining in the installation, we can now install the solenoid valve. Therefore, we unscrew the union nut and take out this plug. The plug is positioned in the retaining hole on the side of the Hygiene flush box for eventually flushes in the future. The aerator and the solenoid valve come in a separate box within the package. It contains 2 aerators and 2 solenoid valves. So we can take out the solenoid valve from the box, take the union nut, place the union nut over the cable and insert it into the housing. To electrically connect the valve to the controller, we take off the protective cap at the bottom of the controller and insert the plug with the white line to the front at the left connection of the controller. Now we can also take out the nozzle, put that into the retaining hole next to the plug for future use, and can use the aerator with a pre-installed flow limiter and insert this at the bottom of the flush line. Now both components are installed and we can open the water supply valve on top. We check everything for leakage. And now we can do the same process for the right valve. Now we put back the cover of the siphon into the box and we take care that the cabling is in the right position of the cover. Now an immediate commissioning should take place to avoid that there will be any stagnation in your installation. The installation of the solenoid valve and the aerator set is every time the same, regardless if you are using the Hygiene Flushbox Pro, the Pure or the LITE.